Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy gold in Exness. To begin, open your Exness personal area in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading activity, so it's the right place to start before opening any position. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct account and that everything is displaying properly. Next, look for the trade option and click on it. This section gives you access to the available trading tools and platforms connected to your account. If you are new to the layout, don't worry, this is simply the point where you move from account management into the actual trading environment. After that, click on Exness Terminal. This opens the web-based trading platform, which allows you to place trades directly from your browser without needing to install additional software. Give it a few seconds to load fully so that all panels and market information appear correctly on your screen. Once the terminal opens, make sure you are in the Instruments section. This area is where tradable assets are listed, including commodities such as gold. Being in the correct section is important because it helps you quickly search for the market you want instead of navigating through unrelated categories. Now click on the search bar and type gold. As you type, matching instruments should appear in the results. Review the available options and select the gold instrument from the list by clicking on it. This step is important because there may be more than one related result, so you'll want to choose the one that matches the market you intend to trade. With the gold instrument selected, move to the upper right area of your screen and click Buy. This prepares a purchase order for gold. Before finalizing anything, it's always a good idea to quickly check that you've selected the correct instrument and are comfortable proceeding. When you're ready, click. Confirm at the bottom to continue and complete the action. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of buying gold in Exness using the Exness terminal. If you plan to trade regularly, taking a few extra moments to become familiar with the platform layout can make the process faster and more comfortable in the future.